Does this sound familiar? So you want to start trading Bitcoin, but you don't know how to get started. Well, then you hear about a program that promises to trade for you and double your crypto in X amount of days, only to have them disappear with your Bitcoin weeks after you get started. You're left feeling lost and confused, and then comes the denial. You've realized that you've been taken advantage of, and now you've become downright pissed off. Can you relate? Unfortunately, this has happened to a lot of people, so you're not alone. So where do you go from here? Well, maybe you've tried your hand at day trading, but knowing what to buy and when to sell is just too complicated. Perhaps you don't know what to do, so you're just holding your Bitcoin, hoping and waiting for it to appreciate. Or maybe you don't have time to babysit your computer all day. After all, who wants to play musical chairs with 50 open tabs in their browser, jumping from one exchange to another, hoping and praying they can hit the buy or sell button fast enough to make a few cents? The fact is, everybody loves automation, but most people don't want to give up control of their Bitcoin. But as we speak, some people are growing their Bitcoin automatically while staying 100% in control of their crypto. Well, would it be okay if you got a sneak peek into exactly how they're doing it? Here are the steps. Step 1, stop trusting third parties with your Bitcoin. Step 2, watch the next video and remain in control of your crypto. And step 3, you determine if this is right for you. And that's it.